Hello everyone. Welcome back to again grade 11 students. Dear students, our chapter today revision sixth chapter revision is the name is chapter of physical activity and leadership training. So today students we will discuss is the chapter 6 and our topic is today especially leadership qualities and role of a leader. So firstly we will discuss is the chapter related meaning of physical activity. So dear students, firstly we will discuss is meaning of physical activity related. So meaning of physical activity is a form of exercise or body movements that requires more energy like walking, running or various other sports activity or any bodily movement produced by skeletal muscles, that is physical activity. It is also includes activities like household, gardening, yeah, any others where the movements enhance health. A physically performed walk at the gym or brisk 30 minutes walk, many live happy feeling and senses of relaxation. So development of the physical fitness depends upon the physical activity which have to be performed regularly with progressive overloading. The physical activity can be performed in different ways. There are various physical activities for fitness develop types of physical activity, for example aerobic activities, jogging, cycling, rhythmic exercises like dancing, singing, extra, anaerobic activities, games and sports, recreational activities, yoga exercises. This is all for types of physical activities. Yeah, any work for at home, for example, gardening. Okay. So today our topic is the main leadership qualities and role of a leader. So firstly we will discuss is the main meaning of leader, types of leader, leader's qualities and role of a leader. So dear students, all are listen properly. Beta audio and video is clear. Half yearly exam you started maybe after 14, very few days. So dear students, especially our topic is today first meaning of leader. So meaning of leader is the lit, literal mean of leader is a person who leads others. This means that a leader is the first person of the group. He is the person who takes decision on behalf of the group and is responsible, yeah, responsible for their outcomes. A leader takes the whole group towards progresses. This is the main meaning of leader. Yeah, meaning of according to different authors. It mean according to Trey. It is the activity of the people to strive willingly for mutual objectives. This is the leader. One more is the according to La Pirer. Leadership is the behaviors that affects the behaviors of others people more than their behaviors affects that of the leader. Yeah, main one more is the from the above mentioned definitions we can consult that leadership is a quality of an individual. It means quality of an individual, for you, your father, anyone leader for at home, yeah, any group. This quality inspire and guides his followers and shows them the right path to achieve the goal. Aim, goal, yeah, aim. So second topic is the main types of leader. So firstly we will discuss is the meaning, second is types of leader. So types of leader is the, this is the three parts. Main is the natural leader, administrator leader and educationist leader. So firstly we will discuss is the natural leaders. So natural leader, he is the, it means Why? Naturally he is the leadership qualities for this person. So natural leader, these types of leaders have natural leadership quality in them. These are of two types. First is the born leaders and second is the made leaders. Born leaders, it means same individual have very high personality and have inborn leadership qualities. These types of people are very strong and tackle the situation very easily. They play important role in social development and very much helpful during social crisis. This is the main born leaders. Second is the made leaders. Made leaders, it means especially is the, it is famous. Made leaders, it is famous saying necessity is the mother of invention. Sometimes some leaders are made by the society itself to fulfill the needs and demands of the society. These type of leader are also known as situation born leaders. This is the second option of a natural leader. Second is the administrative leader. So administrative leader is the, these leaders manage functioning of a particular group of society. These are also is the two types. First is the authoritative leaders, okay, authoritative leaders, and second is democratic leaders. So authoritative leaders, it means these type of leaders have the authority and power within the group to execute the progressive plans for the group of society. These type of leaders are extort and have confidence in them. It means confidential. He is the very confident person. Second is the democratization leader. Democrat leaders are chosen by the particular group or society for the betterment of the society. These leaders are responsible for all policies and plans made for progress of a group of society. Third is the educationist leader. Education is a best way to transfer leadership quality. There are two types of educational leaders. First is teacher leader, second is student leader. So teacher leaders main work is the teacher taught leadership to the students. They help them to be leaders in the field of game and sports. Leadership to the teachers or coaches is must to develop personality. Competition spirit is a all team members leadership quality improve. Competition spirits, honesty, loyalty, extra in the players. The teachers should be well trained and educated. Only then he can be born to the students as well as the institutions. Second is the student leader as a team captain, school team captain, any games, yeah, as a grade monitor. This is the student leader. So physical education and sports provide players may such opportunities where students can prove leadership qualities. The student leads play much important role and hold greater responsibilities in the training camp, competitions, tournaments, in keeping disciplines. So especially student leaders experience may complicated situations and learn how to tackle them in early age. This will help them to be better for the future leader. Better for the leader. This is the main student educationist leader. So next point is the leadership qualities. Beta, anyone audio related problem या video related problem, so please again watch the video in Facebook, okay, in school Facebook, okay. This is your grade 11th group, Okay, video also is the recorded. So anyone few technical problem is the networking problem, so recording video also is a starter. Okay, next is the leaders qualities. Leaders qualities means the quality of a good leader are inherited in the words leadership itself. First is the loyalty. Leadership means first L leadership, L loyalty, E energetic, A adjustable, D dutiful, E efficient, R uh, reasonable, S sincerely, H honest, I impartial, okay, and P personality. This is the main leadership qualities for all leaders. So however you better understanding of the matter, some qualities have been discussed below. First is the good personality. Okay, so good personality is the related for every one leader. He is the main quality of all leaders. So first quality is the good personality. A leader must possess good personality traits which can influence the group effectively. He should have a cramming personality. A leader processing good quality can easily adjust himself to the environment and various situations occurred in learning process. Good personality is always admired by the group. A dynamic personality leaves good impress on the group. Second is intelligent. Everyone leader is very intelligent. Okay, this is also is the required quality. So intelligence, see, a leader must have a sharp intellect and deep insight. Intelligent leader possess good thinking power and anticipation. Okay, he should have good reasoning power for effective implementation of the task which has to be executed, for which he has been choose a leader. Third is the cooperative and sympathetic behavior. A leader should be cooperative and sympathetic towards his followers. Such attitude can win the hearts of the followers, which will be helpful in achieving the desired goal. The sympathetic and efficient attitude of a leader is always liked by the group. The learning process remains interesting. Tense relationship between leader and group always puts hard hurdles in the process of learning and execution. The love and affection displayed by the leader is always returned in the same manner. This is the cooperative and sympathetic behaviors. Next is the knowledge of subject. Main quality is the leader, knowledge of subject. Anyone he lead the leader. Okay, a leader should have vast knowledge and proper understanding of the subject. The deep knowledge of the subject impress the following. A leader must be equipped with latest knowledge and research. For example, if a coach is training high jumper and is using old techniques like Western roll, so or stutter, the group will not attend to him with interest. On the other hand, if the coach is training high jumper with the latest techniques like for worry flop, the trainers will automatically be motivated towards learning. So a leader must have latest knowledge, equipment, data, materials, reference, extra for impressing teaching, which will be helpful to him for effective leading. Next is point is good orator. A leader must be a good orator. He should have good command over the language to express his idea. A well prepared speech can influence the group effectively. A leader must have command in the language and waste vocabulary so that he can easily communicate with the group. A good speech given before any match can be very helpful in the physiological motivation of the players. It can create enthusiasm in the group. Next is the sociable. A leader should have social quality so that he can interact with the group effectively. He should be extrovert by nature. This helps in understanding the minds of his followers. A socialized leader has a sacrificing instinct for the common causes. This basic instinct always impresses the followers. The social qualities displayed by the leader is always liked and imitated by the group. Next is emotionally balanced. Since leader is role model and has to teach different individual, he should be emotional balanced. He should have tolerance as well as calm temperature emotions like fear, anger, and anxiety present in a leader always hinder the implementation of common tasks. These emotions disturbance often consume too much of mental energy which can be used for constitutive work. Next is impartial. A leader must have a unwasted attitude which can win the confidence of his followers. Based attitude always creates rivalry within the group which can shatter the group. For example, if an umpire or referee is acting as the leader of the team what displays partial attitude towards one particular team. This attitude is never liked by spectators as well as other team. This attitude can make the leader ineffective and is not followed by the group. Next is sincerity. Sincerity also is the very important. Okay. Beta check again. Voice is clear. Navjot Singh. Beta audio is clear. Sincerity, a good leader must do his work sincerity. He should be sincere towards his work and follows. A sincere advice is always followed by a group with great interest because the followers feel that this sense advice is going to help them to a great extent. Next point is honest. So honesty also is the very important, especially honesty. An honest leader is always liked by a group. Honesty has good impression on the group. Honest leader will always utilize the material and funds for the better learning of the group, which is always welcomed by the group. Next is regular and punctual. So irregularity has bad impact on the group. So good leader must process regularity and punctuality. It means as a player every day going to ground, he played match. This is the regularity and punctuality, time punctuality. Every day he present in ground in 4 o'clock. All players are coming, so 4 o'clock is every time punctual. You are doing study. Your class is started 12:10. So everyone is punctual in 12:10 is the start the live class. Okay, this is the punctuality related. This is study. So it is essential for every group to have a leader because only a leader is helpful in influence and directing a group properly for the attainment of any goal. If the leader is not effective, the group is shattered. This is the main leadership qualities. Okay, so I hope students today one first topic is completed. Leaders of meaning of leader and types of leader qualities. Okay, on next topic we will discuss in the next day. So any doubt for related this topic, please send message me. After then again we are explaining you. Okay. So main types of leader is the different. After this main is types of leader, natural leader, administrative leader, educational leader. And leader's qualities good personality, intellectual, cooperative and sympathetic behavior, knowledge of the subject, good author, scholable, emotional balanced, impersonal, sincerity, honesty, yeah, regular and punctuality. This is the all for leaders qualities. Okay students, so anyone student a doubt for related this topic, please send message me. Okay, so tomorrow again we will discuss you this topic. Thank you students.